Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about creating a dark post. Okay, what that means is it's not going to be shown on your Facebook page as a public post. So what that does is it allows you to create these different posts and use them to create ads. And I'm going to show you how to create ads later with the Power Editor, and makes it very, very simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. I don't know why it's not letting me change here, so let's just go here. And we're going to go to the Power Editor. Oops, I'm sorry. Not the Power Editor yet. Not just yet. We're going to go to, okay. We're going to go to Page Posts. And this is going to allow us to create a dark post. Now, just notice this, please go to Ads Manager, set up a payment method for this ad account. I haven't set it up on this demo account. Just make sure you have it set up, whether you're using PayPal or credit card, whatever it is you're going to use. Okay, that way your ads will go out. All right, so you just create a post here, and there's different ones that you can use. You can create a link post. You can do a carousel ad, which is basically, you know, you see the ads, they have multiple pictures that you can kind of slide through them. A photo, video ad, just a status that we don't use that. So let's just do a photo, right? Let's just use the same one that we used. Okay, this, I'll just use this image. Now, real quick, we don't want to just use, so you see how it's 782 by 802. We could use it, but the size is a little bit off. I like to use 1200 by 1200. So how do you do that, right? So we're going to go to little secret I found. You might have heard of this before. It's called Canva.com. And you just go here to the Use Custom Dimensions, 1200 by 1200. Right, and then you just design. Boom. And then you're going to go ahead and go over here on this side to upload. And we're going to do this bulldog. Boom. Right, so now you've got an image. If you want to add text, you can add text. You can draw squares, all this stuff, right? But now this is what this does is it allows you, see this square right here? It allows you to create an image of that particular size, this 1200 by 1200 size, right? And you can make it smaller, bigger. I like to fill in as much as I possibly can with this, right? Because you got to imagine someone scrolling through their Facebook feed, and this is going to show up. So obviously the bigger, the clearer, the better the picture, the more likely it's going to get attention, right? And then you can just save it, bulldog toy, 1200 by 1200, do that. So that renames it. And then after you rename it, make sure you download it, right? Wherever it's going to be downloaded into. Boom. This, I believe, is downloading into my download folder. So we'll go ahead and let it do that. So now you're here. So you want to upload it, right? So I'm going to upload from my download folder, and I named it Bulldog Toy. Boom. Let it upload. And it on. So you see it's the same image, but it's bigger. So it's going to show up differently on people's feeds. And this is very important because I see so many people when they start out, they just kind of take the first image. I did this too, okay? But they take the first image, throw it on there, throw it out as an ad, and they're like, why is nobody, nobody's clicking on my thing, or getting very, very little response. And just by changing the size of this can really dramatically change your at the very least, your link clicks, right? How many people are clicking your link? So you confirm that, and okay, so once again, we go to, all right, red heart. You can do the dog again. Let's just do red heart, bulldog lovers. And I know this looks kind of funky right here. See this right here? But when it's all is created and shows up, it shows up fine. Okay. Bulldog lovers, you know, grab whatever you're gonna say. Check out these cool. Check out these super cute bulldog plush toys. Perfect gift for the holidays. Now, 50% off. Get yours here. Boom. www.bulldogtoy. I don't know, I keep doing bulldogtoy. Bulldogtoy.com. / whatever product, whatever your link is, right? You know, tag someone who would love this, or tag a bulldog lover who wants this or who would love this. Anyway, okay, and then whoop, put a little heart there, and then you just create the post, right? So this post has been created, and what happens is, let's see if let me click it. Oh yes, okay, let me click here. So this is the post. You can see that you can go over here and edit the post if you messed up on something, not a big deal. Here you can click it and make sure your links work. And you're gonna, as it goes out, you're gonna be able to see the likes on it, the comments, the shares, all that kind of good stuff, all the data that you need to see later on. And that's what it looks like. Now what's cool is this doesn't have to show up on your actual Facebook page, right? The Brave Bulldog Business. It's not going to show up on that page unless you want it to. You could just create this and make it a public post, but this is what's called a dark post. So it's unpublished, nobody sees it, and only if you decide to send it out as an ad, right? So what is so cool about creating this page post? Well, that takes us to the next video, which is going to be using Power Editor to create an ad campaign. All right, and I'll see you in that video next.